Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create new viral small ratio editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use CapCut PC. So first of all, you need to open up your CapCut PC and then import your video. And then you're going to add your video to the timeline and then go to the ratio and then you can select custom. And then you can add this ratio guys to create the viral small ratio editing. You can use 5120 by 1080 ratio. Okay, again you can use this ratio 5120 by 1080 ratio, and then you just need to click on save, and then the ratio will be applied, and then you can zoom in your video like this. Okay, and this is the result. And then you can click on export to export your video, and then you will be able to upload this video to your social media such as TikTok or Instagram. But this small ratio editing now is trending on Instagram, so I recommend you to upload it to your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!